Hi family and friends, welcome back to BVPN. This is Shandy again and today is May 5th, oh not 15, May 17th Sunday, and we are here in Tumwater Park. I think this is my first time being here. That's one of the historic buildings that they are gonna be renovating. Look at the bird! Take the bird! No, the bird right there.
Oh.
On the sign.
Hello.
Zoom in.
I did.
All right.
That's a rock.
Yeah, there's a lot of nature
Lovely.
animal here. There's ducks swimming, geese all over the place, and we took a
There are
ride.
babies.
We went to Dairy Queen for a blizzard. This is Oreo cookies blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Yes.
But we didn't want to eat it in the car or face a building while eating it. Face me. This park is just beautiful. Danny and Dale's been here before during one of their field trips. So we're just gonna vlog and go walk around. So Danny's vlogging while I'm finishing my blizzard.
Yes.
All right?
Lovely.
Yeah. Tanaw sa palibot. But look at the views, guys. It's pretty. Go zoom in. Out. Zoom out. There you
Lovely.
go. Take the video around. Flowers.
Yes. The sky is beautiful.
Palibot. Palibot. Tanang palibot.
Mm.
And then we're gonna go around.
There they be.
It's a beautiful place by the lake too.
Yes, mother.
Yeah, this is a beautiful place. I can't believe this is my first time being here. Yeah.
She barely gets out of the house.
I have my wedge on because this is not a planned hike thing. So we surely will be back here.
Look at all them pretty flowers.
I know, not that. Alright, hold this. Hold.
It's melting.
And I just ended the first video clip, but alright, to continue, this is the view. But this is not even it. There's falls, which I think we can see one of the falls from here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Just a moment. I'm gonna turn it around, guys. We see the falls from here. And look, I'm gonna zoom in. That's the one of the falls. That's one of the falls. And if the park is not closed, we would have been able to get close to it and the rest of it. There's a really pretty trail that goes to those falls. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. So that's the Tumwater Falls, guys. Oh gosh. It's pretty. See, and that's the building that the brew house that they're renovating. It's one of the historical building here in Tumwater, Washington, in the Pacific Northwest. So wow, look at the skies. It's perfect. See, that's what's beautiful here in Washington. Even if it's winter, it stays green. So here, but the falls, oh my god, this camera really, I did not regret getting this, but because look at that. That's all zoom in. That's far away, but it still looks really clear. Even the little flies. You can see the little flies. There. Awesome. Right. I'm gonna take a picture and video of the geese later on. Here, guys, look, that's the freeway, but I just wanted to, it's a big old field, open field, and there's a playground right there. That's the playground that Danny and Dale played before during their field trip. They've been here before. Alright, now I'm gonna play catch up with them because my blizzard is still. Danny! You eating my blizzard? Alright, come here. I have not seen the geese. Babies? Here, you can take the video of the babies.
I don't know if you will be able to see the babies anymore. Because look at this forest, you guys. Oh. Where is
There,
the...
over there.
I know, hold on. You see them? Look at these.
Oh yeah, they move over there, all of them.
They're so cute. Look at
$50
them.
to whoever grabs that.
Look at them. You're so cute. They is the cute.
Why they fly up there?
They so fluffy.
I can't believe we saw the falls from here.
Yep. Ooh.
Hello there.
Well, that was
They
something.
were hiding.
That was bird up there.
I can't see. No, Mom. Robins don't look like that. That's very high piercing, my friend. Can you see them? It's right there. Right there. You can't really see it, but it's because it's hiding in the... Yep, and there you go. Where is he? I can't see! Lovely.
It's a yes.
It's a
I name you the yes bird.
maybe.
I'm just gonna call you yes bird.
It is the yes bird now.
It's a nice day.
Blackberries. The blackberries be blooming, my friend. They be blooming. Look at this. They're pretty.
Acorn.
Yes, lovely. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's a hidden blackberry. Look at all
That's
this
great.
tall grass. And he has been marked. That was a machine gun bird. It's like,
Yeah, that's a woodpecker. The one that sounds like a machine gun, I think that's a woodpecker.
lovely.
Oh my god, those dogs play.
Let them play wrestle. They completely get
Look at that. That's just a strip of tall grass.
We need to take a video of the park.
Look at that. Beautiful. I did the zip line once. It was weird. Was such a cute bunny.
Stop doing that!
It's recording again.
Oh my gosh! The beauty of having a goofy son. My gosh! Oh my gosh! Both of them.
I can't reach that, Dale.
You want some more? Can you pass it away, please? Hey, but we got We got a picture of the bunny.
is?
Or a video of the
Bitch.
Yeah. Picture of the hot. But I can't finish it.
It's not that hot, Mom.
It's hot.
It's not.
Mom spends half the year stuck inside an air-conditioned
We
building.
had a video of that brewery. Hey guys, over here. So, I'm tired. We take a video of the brewery. The ducks are swimming? Oh, take a video of the ducks. Gosh, the ducks are swimming.
Not floating, Mom. Swimming.
Where? How many ducks? Oh, 3 of them. Go, 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 go.
You do it. Look.
Oh guys, look at them. They're family. The family of geese. 3 baby geese. But no, they pinch though. But they are not camera shy. Oh, how pretty. And there's the brewery again. Did you take a picture? Yeah? Want to say hi? Really? Dale? Where are the ducks? They are big. Babies are big. Maybe that's a mom and the dad. How do you know it's a mom and the dad? Where's the dad one? Oh, poop. He poop. He pee? Pee? It's black. That's poop? White is pee? Oh, it's poop then. How do you know it's a girl?
I don't know, Mom. It's smaller.
Yes,
They're the same size.
that's not true for all.
That's not true for all.
But wait, how do you know? That one hasn't.
laying down and eating. It's so lazy. I love it. Reminds
It's
me of
probably
me.
this guy.
It's like Apollo when we picked Apollo, remember?
Different.
Oh, now he stand up. Or
No,
she. Or
it's
it
because the
stand up.
babies probably stay closer to the mom.
So that most likely is the mom.
Yes.
And it's got the look at the neck. The neck has the white stuff. That one does not have a white stuff on the neck. I think that's the dad. The one that farther from the kids.
Look at that one.
It's like Apollo when we pick Apollo.
He's like, oh shit.
Oh, that one is watching. Look. That one is what Dale. That one. Dale, stop. That one is watching. It's like on alert. That one right there.
That one?
Look. Yeah.
That's
It's on
fine.
alert.
That's
Look at
that's
the look at
dad.
the wing. The wings. Look. It's on alert.
I wish I could
Alright,
do
we
this.
go bye-bye. We go bye-bye. Dale, no, go bye-bye. It's gonna run to you, Dale. Bye. Bye. It's gonna run to you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I do.
Oh, look at the feet. It's gonna run. No.
Danny's like,
What's up?
Danny's like, I don't post the third. I'm like,
No, yeah, no. I don't want to be pinched by them. But look at the flowers, guys. Look. Pretty flowers. I think we're heading home now. It's pretty. Well, we used Mako today. Now we're heading home. Gwapo lagi. Party man niya to sila. Ambot ma, ganahan kay siya magpek. Oh, i-woodpecker gid siya ma. Luoy ka ng kahoy ma, yung gid samad samaran mang. Ako, gaya kog bato be? Magpuntag man muna iya akong madungog. Gagapek. Kung muna iya mo madungog mabuntag ma, magpek. Syagi ko. Mulupad mo. Di ko siya mulupad mo. Wa siya ka. Murag pag langgam siguro niya kung nawong. Di man siya mulupad. Di siya mulupad, mang. Okay. Basig iya kong labog. Basig iya kong labukan. Oh, hingatubang siya na ako, mang. Kane. Ay, kuy, gatubang siya na. Ano ko hapo ka siya color, mang. Hingatubang siya na ako. Agoy, tanawa ra. Mo manigking koy sa una nga woodpecker di gyud madakpan. Di siya mulupad man kay giganahan kay siya sa kahoy iyang gipek. Agay sakit kay akong bukto na. Basig iya kong naglabukan ma. Hi there. Basig bungol ni, mo di siya mulupad. Ay, hintago. Uy. Oh. Best friend guro niya ni. Hi there. You good picker? Basig ako lang. Buka na ni mama. Hagbong na akong cellphone ron. Di siya mulupad lagi. Nasi nakuha juice? What? So this is the bird that does all these things to that poor tree. Ako nang giduol kaayo oh. Di siya malupad mang. Gwapo kay siya color mang. Agoy banha na kay siya mang oh. Siya gyud di ay mang. Lagi? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Agoy, sakit ka nang yung sungumang. Umuna ituksog niya sa kunti kamot. Agoy. Agay. Agoy, sakit ka ng sungumang. Umuna ituksog sa tuwaron man. Ay, dako kay siya dili sa kong. Oh, dako tawag na oh. 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 Ay. Bye-bye no. Ang balhin na po siya sa pikas. Oh. Layo na siya. Tura na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye na. Oh my gosh. That was a woodpecker. Lipay na kasi mamang. Oh my gosh. No, it's the bike, Papang. The bike passed by. Yeah, no, it wasn't us. Kung kita lang, dili siya mulupad. Mo, it's the bike. What happened? Come on, tell us what happened, Apollo. Apollo, what happened? Apollo, what happened? Come on.
outside in the cold?
Was it cold outside? Talk to Danny, come on.
Come on,
Apollo,
it's fine.
talk to Danny. Hey, this is our dog Apollo.
Your camera shy.
No, he's not camera shy. Oh, that's right. He's not camera shy. Come on.
I'm gonna go eat
What?
the bar.
No, he said stay here. Oh, oh, there you go. What is it? Come on, tell us. Tell us more. Tell Danny more. What is it? Hmm? Hello, what? Hmm? What was it, bud? What was it? Hmm?
Buddy, are you cold?
No, what was it? No, he said some more. There's Dale. Go tell Dale. Tell Dale the story. What happened? Come on, tell Dale. Go tell Dale something. Hmm? Hello? Oh. Come tell me more. Such a good dog. You are. Such a handsome dog too. You are. Hello, eh. Oh. Hello. Okay, here you go. Sit your good boy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good boy. Now mommy has flower. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. You are.
Warmer now, huh?
Yeah, you're warmer now. You're warmer now. Are you warmer now? Huh? Tell mommy about it. Huh? I know. Such a big fluffy little cloud.
He is.
Alright. I think Danny and mommy gotta eat now. Okay, you stay here, okay? We gotta go eat. Alright? You stay here. Stay here? Mm-hmm.
How about my face can be covered by his fluff?
Then you will be full of fluff. Right? There is Apollo. Such a handsome dog. Yeah. Oh, you know that too. Alright. Mommy and Danny gonna... We go eat now. Oh, the paw. Oh. There you go. Okay. Eating time. Dinner. Dinner time. Dinner time. Yeah, dinner time.